I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to see blocked users on the Twitch website. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to www.twitch.tv, and then click your profile icon on this screen to open a menu. Step 2. Click Settings in this menu. Your Twitch settings screen is displayed. Step 3. Click Security and Privacy at the top of this menu. Associated options are shown. Step 4. Scroll down to the Privacy section, find the Blocked Users section, and then click Show Blocked Users in this section. All of the users you've blocked on Twitch will be displayed. If you decide you want to unblock someone on Twitch, all you need to do is click Unblock next to that specific user. They will be unblocked on Twitch immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.